Hey everyone, and welcome to the Webtogs ski review. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Robens Primacore 90 sleeping mat. Now this sleeping mat is pretty cool. It's going to tick a lot of your boxes. That is right, I said that pretty much in the outro. Anyway, let's take a closer look at some of the key features. So first off, it's made out of 30D ripstop material, which means it's super strong, but it's also nice and lightweight. Talking about the weight, it weighs 830 grams, which isn't too shabby. And also the overall size is 195 centimeters by 60 centimeters with a thickness of 9 centimeters. And the pack size as is 33 centimeters by 11 centimeters. So yeah, it actually packs away nice and small considering what you get for it. I do need to mention as well, this system can be used with the Roben pump sack. Yes, that is right, the Roben pump sack. So it literally looks like a stuff sack, so you can use that to actually pump this system up, but that is sold separately, but I'm sure I'll do a video about that in a future time, I guess. Anyway, let's take a closer look at the actual sleep mat itself. So this is the bag it comes in, still with the big old tag on there, which you can take off if needs be. So yeah, it actually condenses down nice and small. So let's just spin it around this way. Take it out the stuff sack. And this is the mat itself. Now you'll notice it has compression straps, which is fantastic. Move those on there. That's just going to keep everything in place, and it rolls away nice as well. So as you can see, it's a nice large. Let me actually get this all over and done with. There we go. There we go. This is what we want. It's a nice large sleeping mat on there, which is really cool. As I say, it's pretty much a traditional one, but yeah, you just pump it in there and then hey presto. You've got your valve system on the back here. So using that pump technology, you actually use that to obviously feed the actual sleeping bag itself or sleeping mat itself with its air. And what's quite nice about that system, if we can get it on the close up, you've kind of got a push in system on there, so that's how you fill it up. So that's basically opening up the chamber in order for you to actually fill it up. And once that's done, rather than having an awkward, trying to push something in or trying to get this in, you got this tab on here, and all you need to do, pull that up, and then that just seals the unit in there, and then you push that on top there, and then hey presto, that is a good one. So basically it means it's nice and easy to pump it up, but when it comes to deflating it as well, all you need to do, push that in, and then the air is just going to escape. And then hey presto, you're done. But yeah, like I said, so it's covered in the ripstop material, so it's super strong, super lightweight. You can see the chambers hopefully in the close-up, so you'll get the actual contour lines on there. And let me just go right to the bottom there, unraveling that. And then yeah, basically it's the footbed. So like very many sleeper mats, it's basically the same thing throughout. Obviously you can tell what's the top and what's the bottom, and because that plug system is on the back, it basically means one, it's not going to be digging into you wherever you're going to be backpacking. Sometimes the levers are on the side there, sometimes they put them on the corner where you rest your head. I've seen all types, but the fact that this is actually positioned, one, it's a flat lock system, which is really cool, which means it's very flush, which means nothing's poking out. The fact that it's on the back, it just means that it's not going to add any irritation to you. So once this is filled up, this actual plug system, you're not going to feel, which is absolutely fantastic. So when you're lying down, you're not going to feel that. Yeah, and again, because it's a very flat lace or a flat plug system, it's actually a really cool thing. So yeah, I've not seen that before, and I'm really liking it. So nice work, Robens, on that. So who's this mat for? So I think the extreme temperature it can be around is 26 degrees. So it's perfect for spring, summer, and early autumn time. Due to the pack size, and the overall weight, I don't think it's obviously for someone who wants to really cram down their pack size and get it in like a really small bag. But if you are space conscious, you are weight conscious, but not to the extreme, this is ideal for you. This is going to keep you nice and warm. It's going to keep you nice and comfortable and nice and cool. It packs down nicely. The fact that you have those compression straps, which have now fallen down on there, means you can keep everything together nicely. So even when you deflate it, if you roll it up properly, wipe those compression bands on there, everything's going to stay in place, and it will easily fit back into the the stuff sack as well, which it comes into. So yeah, if you're after a pack that, well, after a sleeping mat that's going to be comfortable, it's going to keep you cool, it's going to keep you warm, and has a smallish should we say, footbed, I guess, if that's the word I want to say for your day pack, this is definitely something to consider. Anyway, if you want any more information about that, or if you want to find out about that pump sack, just head over to our website, webtogs.com, or click on the link that is pinned in the comments below for any more information. And while you're over there, what you'll notice is that we're doing a really cool initiative at the moment, which is place an order, plant a tree. So with every order that is placed on our website, we are going to be planting a tree, which is a fantastic initiative, what we're super happy with over at Webtogs HQ. But also, what a lot of people don't realize is that our warehouse is super eco-friendly. In fact, it's one of the most eco-friendly, if not the most eco-friendly warehouse in Europe, and it's within the top 5, maybe even the top 3 eco warehouses in the world, which is mind-boggling. Basically, we've got our carbon emissions down by 93.5% as of recording, which again is fantastic. But when you work that into the place an order, plant a tree initiative that we're funding, it does something really, really cool. So by you purchasing through our website, webtogs.com, that one tree that we're going to be planting is going to offset the carbon emissions of 3 other Webtog orders. How fantastic is that? And also those 3 other Webtog orders are also going to have trees planted. So it really is a win-win system. We get to wipe the carbon emissions down of 3 other Webtog orders, and in process, we get to plant trees as well. It's just mind-boggling, and it's fantastic. And not a lot of other warehouses or companies can say that because they haven't got their carbon emissions down so low, which is just brilliant. Anyway, if you want any more information about that, just head to the link that is again pinned in the comments below. I'm going to stop blabbering on. I'm going to let you continue with your day. Thanks for watching and happy trails.